Welcome guys to my channel again. In this episode we're going to knit the crocodile stitch or mermaid stitch. And look how gorgeous it is. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. For this swatch I cast on multiple of 8 stitches. Then if you're going to knit scarf or something like this, plus 6 stitches, 8 plus 6, and then I added 2 more stitches. Those are selvage stitches, so 8 plus 6 plus 2. For this swatch I was using a current simple yarn soft and 4mm knitting needles. So as an example, I cast on here 24 stitches, so it's multiple of 8 plus 6 plus 2. And I slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, and I purl all stitches till the end of the row, and I purl the very last stitch, that is selvage stitches as well. Like this, purl till the end. That's how it looks. And row number 2, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches till the end of the row, and the last stitch, the selvage stitch, you purl it. Knit all stitches and the last purl. That's how it looks. Now I'm going to start row number 3. Slip the first stitch and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip next to stitches with the yarn in front. And repeat. 1, knit 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slip with the 2 stitches with the yarn in front. And repeat till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one purl. Row number 4, I purl 6, and then I slip next to stitches with the yarn in back. Then again purl 6, and then slip next to stitches with the yarn in back, and purl 6, and purl the last selvage stitch. Now we're going to start row number 5, and it is the same as the row number 3. Knit 6 and slip next to stitches with the yarn in front. Knit 6 and slip next to with the yarn in front, and knit 6 and purl the last one. Row number 6 will be same as the row number 4. Slip the first stitch and purl 6, and slip next to stitches with a yarn in back, with a working yarn behind, holding behind it. Then again repeat purl 6, and slip next to stitches with a yarn behind. And 6, purl 6, and the last stitch purl as well. Row number 7 will be same as the row number 3. Knit 6 and slip next to stitches with a working yarn in front, and then repeat till the end. Row number 8, purl all stitches. You purl all that 6 stitches, and you purl as well that slipped stitches. Purl all stitches except of selvage stitches that you slip the first and purl the very last. Okay, this is the half of the pattern. Now the next row, row number 9, I purl all stitches. Purl. And purl the last one. Row number 10, knit all stitches. Knit till the very end and purl the very last one. Till the end. Now row number 11. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, then slip next to stitches with a yarn in front, knit 6, then slip next to stitches with a yarn in front, knit 6, slip next to stitches with a yarn in front, and knit 2 and purl the last stitch. Row number 12, slip the first stitch, purl 2, slip the next stitches with a yarn in back, purl 6, slip next to stitches with a yarn in back, purl 6, slip and purl 2 and purl the last stitch. Row number 13 will be the same as the row number 11. You knit 2, then slip next to stitches with a yarn in front, knit 6, slip next to stitches with the yarn in front, and at the end knit 2 and purl last stitch. Row 14 will be the same as the row 12. Slip, purl 2, slip next to stitches with the yarn in back, purl 6, slip next to stitches, and like this work till the end. Row number 15 will be the same as 11. Knit 2, slip next to stitches with the yarn in front, knit 6, and go on till the end. Slip. This is the last row, row 16, where we purl all stitches, even those one that we slipped. Purl, purl, purl all stitches. That's it. Now you repeat everything from the first row till 16. So it means you're going to purl next row, and then you're going to knit, and then you're going to knit 6 and slip 2 in front and go on. That's how it looks again. I like how it looks in this color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe if you really like it, and see you soon.